This is a beautiful problem. In the first picture, the cat is sitting on top of the table, while the frog is standing on the floor. The vertical distance between the top of the cat's head and the top of the frog's head is 170 centimeters. Now look at the second picture. The animals switch places. This time, the frog is on the table and the cat is standing on the floor. Now the distance between the tops of their heads is 130 centimeters. The question is, how tall is the table? Can you solve it? Okay, let's solve it step by step. Look at the first picture. Let's say the height of the table is T, the height of the cat is C, and the height of the frog is F. The 170 centimeters represents the difference between the top of the cat's head and the top of the frog's head. We can find that distance by taking the height of the table plus the height of the cat and then subtracting the height of the frog. So this is our first equation. Now let's look at the second picture. This time 130 centimeters is the difference between the top of the frog's head and the top of the cat's head. So we take the height of the table plus the height of the frog and then subtract the height of the cat. That gives us our second equation. Now let's add the two equations together. Notice what happens. The plus c and minus c cancel each other out. The minus f and plus f also cancel each other out. That leaves us with 2 times t equals 300. Now we simply divide both sides of the equation by 2. Then we get t equals 150. So the height of the table is 150 centimeters. Did you solve it before the explanation? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun math puzzles. See you in the next one.